What's up, y'all? It's definitely Vivian and I'm back again. I gotta figure out my intro, but I'm gonna just say that for now. I did change my pretty much everything. If you didn't know, all that spit. If you didn't know, this hairstyle, it's a little childish, I already know, but I just want to try something different. I do have clip-ins in. I tried to like film and get ready with me, but I pretty much botched this hairstyle and it doesn't look that great. And yeah, so won't be showing you how I did it because it looks a mess, but it's decent enough for this video. I thought it was real cute. Yeah, anyway, ow, I need to do my nails, but it's springtime, like Corona, I think it's still out, I think it's not out, I don't really know, I don't trust it. I'm staying indoors for a good maybe 2-3 weeks and then I might go out. Yeah, that's that on that there. Let me zoom in some. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy my content. Definitely let me know down below because I won't know if you watched it or not. If you don't like it, if you don't comment, I'm not gonna know who you are, and I want to know who you are. Basically, I want to get in your business a little bit, not too much though, you know, some things. Anyway, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video and we'll go ahead and get started into this tutorial. I keep touching these things, please forgive me. I don't do it in the video, okay? So I'm gonna go in with the Louise base in Rumour 5. I'm gonna take the same brush I always use, the M173 by Morphe, and I'm just going to tap this into the lid. Don't look like much, but just wait, just wait. Okay, I am going to be taking the Violet Voss Vibes palette, and I'm gonna take this yellow shade, and that's the only shade I'm gonna be taking. I'm just gonna take a clean M1 or M532 and I'm gonna take the shade Neon, and I am just going to tap this big fluffy brush over the shadow and just tap it on. Now I am gonna go in with a different brush to saturate the color, but for now I'm just going to tap it on. And basically what this is doing is just getting this big fluffy brush coated with the color for when, after I pack the shade on with a different brush, I'll be able to just effortlessly blend out the edges with this same brush. And because the color is basically all over the brush, it'll just look a lot more seamless. And I'm just gonna do a light buffing. So this just builds up the color a little bit. It looks kind of like a neon green, but it's not. I am going to take a M166 Morphe brush, and I'm just going to tap that same shadow. As you can see, it's a lot more vibrant now. Basically, I'm just getting the eye prepped and I'm just packing the shadow on as much as I can, because when I blend it out, it is going to fade out a little bit. I'm just gonna take that same big fluffy brush and blend out the edges. And I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing until it gets to the consistency that I basically want it to be. Then, just as a quick way to blend out this area right here without like altering the pigment, I'm just going to press over it and press up almost to the eyebrow, but not fully, so that way when I blend out, I'm only blending out this area and not going like this over the whole, like right above my crease. Hopefully you can understand what I'm saying, but I'll show you in just a second. As you can see, I'm just doing a light buff right up in here. so that way it just looks more like airbrushed. So that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom, but until then, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. Gonna zoom you out. I always go in. I'm gonna zoom you out just a little bit. For primer, I'm just gonna take the Master Prime Hydrate Plus Smooth Maybelline Primer. Feel like being a little childish. Sue me, sue me. Okay. And I'm just gonna blend this on out. Then I'm just gonna take my fan, just give it a head start. Alright, for foundation, I'm just gonna take the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Toffee 3330. Okay, for the foundation brush, I'm just gonna take the buffing brush by Real Techniques and just going to slide that on. And then I'm just doing tapping motions, buffing it in. Okay, that's pretty much on. It doesn't feel too cakey, a little bit, but not really. I think once I set it and put on everything, I should be fine. For concealer, I'm just gonna take the medium dark 36 by Colourpop. And then I just took my foundation brush for this area just to blend it more. If I would have took a different brush, it would have been too light. So yeah. For contour, I'm just gonna take the Makeup Revolution C13 concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Louise base. I have to put it right here because the regular concealer does not like make the eyeshadow pop like this does. Just gonna do the same thing I did on the top. I'm just gonna take a M408 and I'm just gonna pack this underneath. I'm gonna take my Lower Mercier powder and a Real Techniques, I forgot what this is called, but it's basically like a very good powder brush. Or a sponge, not brush. I'm just gonna take the Sephora Micro Smooth powder and I'm gonna take the Real Techniques Instapot face brush and just tap that on in. And basically I'm just gonna press this into my face, and once it's all pressed in, then I will basically dust my face off. But this really helps for smoothing out the face and giving you no flashback. I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Fish, what? Sound like I said fetish, that's not what we on. Pretty Fresh Colourpop setting spray. Once I set my face, I'm just gonna take my fan right after, but it looks like this. So I'm dry now. That was a lot of setting spray, but I think I'm gonna start doing that more because I just look, I don't know, like great. I'm just gonna take the Pixi Extra Eye Bright Liner in the shade, I think it's Extra Bright is the shade. Highlighter, I'm just gonna take the Master Chrome Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and I'm just going to take the Y14 by Morphe highlighter brush. Just do a light layer of highlight. Okay, so my nose is running. For For the mascara, the bottom lashes, I use the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. And then the top, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I need more of both of these, so yeah. I could buy some more. And this is just like a no lashes kind of day. I was gonna put on lashes, and then I was just like, you know what? It's springtime. You don't need any lashes, sis. Rock your naturals or your falsies. For the lips, I'm taking the Nude Truffle by NYX lip liner. And then I'm just gonna take my ColourPop times Shayla Quickie. And I'm just gonna take the Fenty Beauty Fussy lip gloss. And I just do a light brush over, lightly. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you leave me a like, comment down below, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. That's the end. Make sure you watch some videos right here. And put the subscribe button right here. You already know what to do. I'm out.